Okay, we're going to do a swing trade update for 2nd of October 2019. And one of the main reasons is that the markets are, really getting crushed here. SPY is down 1.8%, NDX down 1.75%, Dow off 1.8%, and Tranny's down 2.2%. It's a big gap down, and so anything on the long side has probably been stopped out, as you can imagine. Such a strong, look at this huge reversal bar here, big one here, small inside day on low volume, big reversal bar, and then follow through. So not to be unexpected, but with those, so anything that we had in longs of an earlier stage probably been stopped out. Vice versa, our short position that we've been adding quite aggressively lately, all doing quite well here. So let's have a look at them, see where we're at. We put on this Booz Allen. This was on my watch list from yesterday. 60 in this area here, 68.78. It's traded close to 600,000, but we can see it was in this big strong uptrend, and then 2-day sell-off, sharp bear wedge, and broke to the downside of that wedge. This could bounce back up into this area here, 69, 80, maybe even 70. I have 71 as a stop. But if this is a market is going to roll over, we should see this sell off. The other one I put on was DELL. Now this could be this could be a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But I'm thinking with this market the way it is, that this is actually a wedging pattern, and it's going to break to the downside. We shorted this at 51, it's 50.94. 52.50 is the stop. Could trade back down to this 45, 47, and 44.50. FTNT, put this short on at 78, 74, and 69 are my targets. I did cover a quarter of it at 74.75. Didn't quite get down to our 74 level, but we're at 74.55 today. But this is in a downtrending channel. See this trade down to the bottom of the channel in here, 74.73, that's my target. FedEx, trannies are coming off sharply. They look like they're breaking down. This really would have been the better entry in here, around 149, 148 for FedEx, but it wedged here, broke that wedge yesterday to the downside. We're short this at 142. 129 and 121 are targets. We should probably stop this out now at 140, 144. MDB shorted the stock at 123.50. 108 and 95 are targets. This is also in a nice downtrending channel. Has broken support here at the 123 level. It's in this nice downtrending channel, 1, 2. If this is wave 3, look for it to take it down to here, down to my support, my target of around 108 here. and then bottom of the channel here, 99. NWL, this was a new swing we put on, but 1760 was the stop in here. So we'll see, it had a breakout, but just can't withstand the pressure of these markets. We're not stopped out of it yet, but it's very close. Workday, another short. Put this workday short on at 167. Come on. There we go. That's 166.27. So it's in this consolidation. It's trying to break down. It is in this long-term declining tops or channel. Let's see what we'll see what happens. It's a big rollover for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look for wave 5 to take it down into here. 153 and 147 are my targets. Down the bottom of the channel there. TWOU, shorted this at 17. I do have a stop on this at 17. 13 and 11 are targets. It's not a volatile trader, but double topped in here. Let's see what happens. I do have a stop break even on this. GRUB. Big sharp drop off today. We shorted this at 56 and a quarter. 48 and 42 are my targets. It's traded to 42.45 today. Let's see. Probably stop this at 56 now. CGC, we shorted CGC at 24.55. I do have a stop on this at 24 now. I did have targets of 20 and 17. It did trade as low as 20.52 today and has rebounded a bit in here. But this is a big down trending channel. I mean, it may bounce in here to the 22, 23 level. Maybe that should stop that out at 23. PAYC. Shorted this at 212. We did cover a bit at 202. It did trade down to 199.41 today. I have targets of 195 and 186. Broke the big long-term declining or rising channel line 2 days down. Bear flag, broke below it, came up, tested resistance, failed, and now rolling over. This could trade quite a bit lower. 195 and 186 are my targets. AAXN, look at this thing sell off. 62.25 entry. 56 stop. 47 and 42 targets. Just waterfalling here. Oops. EVBG. This has recovered a little bit, and not surprising because it was at the bottom of the channel. It's 65.39. I have stops now at 65.50. We're short this at 83.25. 83.72. It probably should be stopping this at 67.50 instead of 65.50. Change that because it may bounce in here. but it isn't 1, 2, 3. This is a 1, 2, big wave 3 still continuing down here. Maybe we get a bounce 4 and then a roll over 5. AXGN, we're short this at 16, stop at 1350. Targets, where is it? 10 and 8, as we covered some at 14 and some at 12. So 10 is my next target to cover some, and then 8. WW, we got stopped out of this today at 35. Yeah, 35. Nice trade though. I mean, it was in the strong uptrending channel, broke the channel, sells off sharply with the market. So if you can't watch these stocks all the time, you should have hard stops in on these. You'd hate to be getting home from work this afternoon and seeing that it's dropped $5 and you're still in it, even though we're in it at $29.50. What else do we have? INFN probably stopped out. INFN 520 is my stop. So still in this trade. We'll see.